Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. In today's video, I will show you different hairstyles. You can make them in easy and simple way. Like here, I've made this beautiful fish braid. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Take small portion of hair, then bind it. Then you have to divide your hair in two parts. Then twist your hair like this. And this beautiful bun is ready. Wedding season is going on and you all want to look good. So with these hairstyles, you can enhance your beauty. See how simple and less time taking these hairstyles. You can finish using beautiful hairpins. Take a small portion of hair, make a braid like this. Then you have to twist your hair, divide your hair in two parts. Then you have to make beautiful bun like this. They are so simple. Like your beautiful dress, a beautiful hairstyle also you need to look good. So with these hairstyles, you can rock the party. So what are you waiting for?